Welcome to TechCaliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase virtual RAM on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. Now, at first, what you want to do is just go to your search bar, and in here, type View Advanced System Settings, and just open this up. You'll find this small window here. Now, what you want to do in here is just go to Settings from Performance. Then in here, you want to go to Advanced. And inside Advanced, don't change anything except for virtual memory. In here, just click on Change. Now, here, just click on Custom Size. Now, setting the custom size of the virtual RAM depends on your memory. By memory, I mean your RAM. Now, to calculate this, just open up your calculator. Now, let's say you have 8 GBs of RAM. Then multiply 8 with 1024. Then just multiply this by 1.5. And just put this value in the initial size, 2288. Now just clear this again. Now if you have 8 GB RAM, multiply it with 1024 again. Now this is Microsoft recommended. You need to set the values as I suggested you. Let's say you have 16 GBs of RAM, just multiply this with 1024, then 1.5. If you have 16 GBs of RAM, then this will be your initial size. And if you have 16 GB of RAM, then your maximum size will be multiplied by 3, this much. So just calculate it and set it here. After that, just click on OK. Then just click on Apply, click on OK again. Click on OK here as well. Then just go ahead and restart your PC and your virtual RAM should be increased. And that is how to increase your virtual RAM on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.